Hi guys, today we are going to see the LEDs are controlled to the ESP32 by using the web server. So by using ESP32 we will get the IP address. In that IP address we will create some HTML buttons so that we by pressing that button in the web page we are going to control these LEDs. As you can see, this is an ESP32 and we are going to use these LEDs this kind of LEDs so that we are going to control by this ESP32 in the LEDs in a web page. Let us code and I will explain the code as well. Please do subscribe and like the video before going into that coding part. ESP32 LED is controlled by using the web page. So in that web page we are included this is the code first thing. So in this code we are including the Wi-Fi.h as far as we are going to control this with the Wi-Fi, and in these fourth and fifth lines I am given the Wi-Fi name that I am using and the password that is used to connect. That ESP32 needs to connect with this Wi-Fi, then only we will go and to that web page, and then we will get that buttons like button 1, button 2, button 3 of LED 1, LED 2, LED 3, so that we will control that one. Okay, so this is the server to launch and this is the string. So we are giving we need to give the LEDs, which LED is connected to which one, which LED is connected to which one. So in that we have connected LED 1 to second pin, LED 2 to fourth pin, and LED 3 to fifth pin. As we can see here, this 2 4 5 2 4 5, and then initial status of those LEDs is off, like initial state should be off condition. So that 19 to 21 is going to tell that initial stage of the LEDs should be off. And the void setup, as I already told you, that in the initial first step we need to indicate which LED, which components are going to connect. And this part in step 2 we are going to tell that which purpose we are using, like we are using for input or we are using for it as an output, we need to tell them. So here in the void setup we can see this is a serial monitor which is begin 11520. This is the one bandwidth, so we can see that output over there also when we connected our ESP, and we can also check here if there any occurs. So all this pin mode, all these LED 1, LED 2, LED 3, as we all know, those are used for output. So as we can see here, we have mentioned that from line 27 to 29 we have mentioned that LED 1, LED 2, LED 3 is an output. So set the output. So I am setting the output as low, as I told. So then what should be printed? So initially I have given here, this is the Wi-Fi name and this is the password, right? So that Wi-Fi name and password should be connected, that will be printed. If it is connected, it will be printed. If not connected, the dot lines will be like we will see it is connecting to, which I already given here, right, in the line 39. So this is going to connect here, and then after connecting we will print that Wi-Fi is connected, and then we will going to get the IP address of the server that we have connected, and this is the server started here. Okay, in the while loop is the functionality. As we have known, first step is we need to indicate, and second step we need to tell that which is we are using for input or output, and then in the third step this is functionality part. So in that functionality part we are going to see with that input client, that as we all know that we are going to see get that input from the client server, right, like web server, right. So here like we can see all these things are after connecting. This part is like to get the server status, like get server for like 200, like if we get 200, if we get 404 error, and we will get 401, there will be 200, 202, 204, there is some other pull request and get request. So we are getting the status request of the status of LED 1, and then it is for LED 2, and this is for LED 3. Okay, this is for LED 1 and this is for LED 2 and this is for LED 3. Okay, now this is sending message response of the if. Actually we created HTML code we need to use, and we need to build that button for it. See, this is the content, and this is for HTML request for the when we are going to launch, we are going to launch that one, right. when we are going to launch the web server, no, we will get this like ESP32 LED web server name, as we will get this name with this 101 line. So we will get the status of the LED one, like we can see here LED one on or off. We will see in that web server. In beside that button, we are going to get the status, like if we press on means the status is on, if we press off means the status is off. We will going to get that also. So here we will get for LED2 as well and LED3 as well, and then this is for the whole the HTML part, and then it need to stop the client. After that it will stop the client of the server. So this is the code we are going to learn. uh, I hope you understand this one better. You can learn more in the upcoming videos. If you want, just ping me, I will provide this link as well, code link as well. You can do as your own. So this is the code. Now we are going to learn the execution part as well. We will see. Okay, I'm going to connect this ESP32 to the breadboard, and then we will connect the circuits. So as we all connect, you can see here I am going to pin this one here. So I place this one here, and then we have these LEDs. So by these LEDs, we all know we need to common all those three LEDs ground. So initially the I am using the positive here and ground. Positive ground again, positive and ground. Okay. Positive and ground. So I am connected these three negatives in the same path. So now I will make this one. See, I will make this, take this ground from the ESP32, and I make this all these three as an common. So all of these three as an ground. So now LED 1 is connected to which part? Let us see, just a second. Okay, now LED 1 is 2. So I am connecting to 2. Same as that, we are going to connect for this remaining 2 LEDs, and LED 2 is for, and LED 2 is for 4, and LED 3 for 5. So TX is, this is a D5. Okay, now connections are done. Let us upload the code and see how we are going to get this output. I connected the ESP30 to the cable, and I am using the port. Before that, we need to know I am selected the board as ESP32 here, ESP dev module. And if you want to select the port, you can select here, or else you can also select this from here. Select the port. You can also select the board, and this is the port. Okay, I click done. Okay, let us, initially you can also compare, and we should wait. If any error come, we will let you know. And after, when we wanted to upload also, before that only it will before uploading it will compile, and then it will upload. Please, it will double check. It is come to as double check. Let us wait. You can see here it is compiling. You can see here the compilation is done. You can see the compilation is done. So now I am going to upload. It will take some time, so I will skip this part of uploading, like compilation part, and then it will upload. Let us see. It's compiling and just speeding up. It's done. Now we need to press the enable button. I am going to press that enable button, so it started again uploading the code. So it's uploading here. You can see I'm uploaded here, and then I'm going to serial monitor. So now I'm pressing that button. So it is connected as it is connected. So now we got an IP address. Okay, I'm just copying this part. Control C. I'm already open here. So now I can do, I'm closing this one. As I told, we can get the ESP32 LED web server as a title, as I told in the before code. So we will get the status of. Now you can see here I'm placing here the carrying this here. So see, I'm going to LED 1 is on, LED 2 is on, and LED 3 is on. I'm offing LED 3, LED 2, and LED 3. If you wanted to on LED 2, I'm on here, and if you wanted to on the LED 1, I'm on here. LED 3, off, 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 on, on. Thank you for watching. If you wanted to, this is one kind of home automation task only, but we don't add it in relay. In the further videos we will see the blink app, how to create the blink app, and by the blink app how we are going to control. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and like and share the video. Thank you.